10 beautiful train journeys in India one must take. Train journeys are not everyone's cup of tea. If you started liking train journeys and you'll explore more through train journeys. When it comes to Tain Journeys in India, there are some must-try train rides one must take if you haven't. 10. Kanyakumari to Trivandrum and Ramesvaram train journey. The 90 km train from Kanyakumari to Trivandrum offers us some amazing views of coconut trees, backwater sites, palm tree fields, and the Ramesvaram bridge passage, giving us an amazing experience for sure. 9. Jaisalmer to Jodhpur. The Desert Queen train from Jaisalmer to Jodhpur ride offers us a unique train experience as we get to see sand dunes, golden sand waves, scenic beauty, camels, Rajasthani culture, and more on the way. 8. Bhubaneswar to Brahmapur. With Eastern Ghats, Chilka Lake, and migratory birds throughout the way, the train ride from Bhubaneswar to Brahmapur offers us a majestic train ride experience. 7. Visakhapatnam to Araku Valley train ride, one of the best and most beautiful train journeys down the south. Starting from Visakhapatnam to Araku Valley with 130 plus km in 3 hours, it takes us through the lush green meadows, crops, tea, and coffee estates on both sides. 6. New Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling. The heavenly train ride. The Darjeeling train journey from New Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling offers us steep and scenic landscapes. It covers Darjeeling's beautiful places like Siliguri, Sukna, Kursong, and snow-capped Kanchenjunga. 5. Vasco da Gama to Londa, another Konkan railway journey from Vasco da Gama to Londa. The must-take train ride for nature lovers, as this train journey offers mesmerizing views of the Western Ghats, Konkani coast and Goan villages. 4. Mumbai to Goa. Mumbai to Goa train ride is one of the most beautiful train journeys in India, with the Arabian Sea, Sahyadri ranges, tunnels, rivers, bridges, lakes, and waterfalls through the 412 km journey. 3. Jammu to Baramulla train journey, one of the most scenic and toughest Kashmiri Valley train rides. This scenic train ride is 356 km long, 13 hours journey with amazing viewpoints, mountains, rivers, and passes through the world's highest bridge, Chenab River Bridge. The view and experience will leave you speechless. 2. Meet up Palim to Ooty. Nilgiris mountain toy train. The toy train of Nilgiris takes us through the tea valleys, mountains, and thick and dense lush green trees. With a speed of 20 to 30 km per hour, this train journey gives you the best experience. 1. Calcutta Shimla, Himalayan Queen. Calcutta Shimla. This toy train experience offers 96 km upslope journey with amazingly picturesque locations like pine trees, valleys, mountains, and lush green eyesight views on both sides. The best thing about this train ride is you pass through 102 tunnels, 864 bridges, and around 919 crazy hairpin curves. Subscribe to our channel, comment and press the bell button to stay notified about our new videos.